welcome back to my channel. And today our topic is strength training versus cardio training. So today we will understand in deep what are the importance of cardio training and the strength training, and when we should do this cardio training, before workout or the post workout. So today we will understand in deep. So guys, actually the cardio training is equally important as the strength training. So cardio training is always you know you can do in post workout, not in the pre workout. Many person I saw in the gym that they just entered in the gym and start hitting the cardio. That's a wrong practice actually. Why? Because in our body there is a high amount of glycogen stored in the form of carbs. Glycogen is a polymer of glucose, so that gives the energy. So if you are initially hitting the gym and you started your workout with cardio, then you are losing your energy actually. So you should first utilize your glycogen, that glucose polymer, first to hit the strength part, so that you can have the the maximum power to lift out the weight, and to perform all the strength training. So it should be always post workout, and it is also good for the weight loss program, because once you have done with your strength training, you already lost your maximum calories during strength training. So after hitting the strength training to the moving towards the cardio, that will easily help you out to lose more and more weight, because you already lost your maximum calories in strength training. So one question is always revolve in everyone's mind, that is that cardio is enough for the weight loss or for to get the lean muscles. Many person think that, oh, we can do just normal running to the park or in any ground, in any any path, except the gym. Or in the gym they generally move on the treadmill part or the cycling part. So that is not the right practice. You should actually perform all the strength training to lose more and more calories, to lose more and more your fat part of the body. बिकॉज अगर इस कार्डियो करने से अगर वेट गिरता, तो लोग जिम ज्वाइन ही नहीं करते हैं, और लोग बड़े बड़े पार के चक्कर लगा करके वो अभी तक बिल्कुल ज़ीरो फिगर हो चुके होते अभी तक। ऐसा नहीं होता है। यू शुड इक्वली गिव इम्पोर्टेंस टू स्ट्रेंथ पार्ट ऑल्सो एंड द कार्डियो पार्ट ऑल्सो। ये सच बात है कि कार्डियो से आपका जो कैलोरीज है वो बर्न होता है, बट इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट योर शेप, लाइक योर डिज़ायर्ड शेप, so you should actually perform the strength part as well, because it's give you shape. Not only losing the weight, it also give you proper shape of each and every part of your body. So please don't avoid strength training. And again, diet is very much important, so you should equally give your 100% focus on diet also. First of all, it should be clear from your end that what's your goal, what's your body goal actually, what you want to do with your body. So it should be very much clear. Then only you can achieve your desired desired figure, or desired the body shape. So cardio training and strength training both are important, but it should be in a correct way. First you should hit the strength part, then cardio part. Cardio you can go out with any exercise like cycling, treadmill, cross trainer, anyone. So kindly please follow these exercises. And again, if you have any queries, you can just let me know. You can just comment and ask your all queries regarding cardio and strength training. तब तक के लिए घर पे रहें, सुरक्षित रहें और सेफ रहें। थैंक यू।